wouldn't be surprised, especially with a racing clutch.
It's hard not to.
Hey guys, this is my brother Nick.
Yeah.
He's gonna show me how it's done.
Get it done.
All right.
So you gotta strap in.
Buckle in, huh?
Alright, so we're only gonna be on low boost, which is gonna be at 800 wheel horsepower,
Really?
which is roughly 900 torque. It's a special clutch, so it's got 3 discs, so that's why it jerks it.
Really? Because I feel it. Wow, it's got some boost, even like with low speeds.
It's not even 1 psi yet.
Yeah. That's
yeah,
crazy.
we'll get there in a minute. We gotta warm up the oil. Yeah, it has a very long gear ratio, pretty much like on a Bugatti. The top speed is 255.
It's probably a good thing that I don't need anything.
Yeah, it's
Because it's probably got some really good like G-forces.
Got some G-forces. 3-disc tilting clutch system.
Yeah. My God, this thing rips.
Oh, no, it's got scavenge. It's got turbo pumps, engine pumps, 2 engine pumps, 1 internal engine.
This suspension is so stiff.
It's coilovers. We're gonna change it.
Man, it's such a beautiful acceleration.
Yeah, I'm trying to warm up that oil some.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Oh, that's just regular. That's just regular
See,
driving.
I'm not really used to
That's just regular driving.
such acceleration, and this is crazy.
We're at negative PSI right now. See, watch. That's 3 PSI only right there. That's.
So you're watching
Oh, yeah, it's-
PSIs.
Well, we can go all the way up to 1400 horsepower. You hear all the race gears inside winding? Yeah.
I could feel it.
And it's gonna start clattering the transmission as it warms up. The oil temperature.
So this is obviously not original transmission, huh? Or something?
No, it's built. It has long gear ratios because it doesn't allow it to be in boost long enough.
Right.
And then you have to shift.
Oh jeez, man. I could definitely feel the G-forces. It's so awesome.
And that's just in.
Man, it's crazy. It's so fun.
But it's fun. That's why.
It's so exhilarating, man.
That's what I was telling
It's
you.
crazy.
It's a lot of fun.
Man. Dang, this is like Formula 1 racing. I could feel its handles good. It's really grippy. It's awesome.
What do you think?
Man, that's incredible. I love one of these.
And that's just 1 bar boost. Imagine if
I
we go
think
to,
if I
imagine
would,
if we go double.
yeah. Yeah, it's so awesome.
This is right now we're at 800 wheels, so crank is about almost 1,000.
Wow.
So 800, a little bit over 800 wheel. If we turn it all the way up, we're at 1,400. See, our traction just
It seems like this car is hungry for power. Like you can tell, it's just got so much potential. It just wants to go.
Yeah, it just
Man.
spun. It just spun on us. The gearing.
Yeah, I felt it. Jeez. This is funny.
Third gear. If you go all the way with the third gear, 130.
Yeah.
And like we have this. It's from 60 to 130. I think it's like 4-point-something seconds. We have the spec sheet of the dyno.
That's an interstate car.
Really?
That's what he's trying to do.
Stop.
We warmed it up.
Nice and warm now. Man, it's awesome.
Yeah, that oil, man.
It's great. It's a good thing I didn't eat nothing. That's what I was thinking. Like, that'll probably come a while. It's just such a... It's great. Like, it's so exhilarating.
Oh yeah.
By the way, guys, this is Glenn.
This is safe right now.
Childhood friend.
Because
I know him like 2012.
I'm gonna adjust it like Monday.
You were like 18
So I wanted to make sure the me and Todd sent me the diagram. Wanted to make sure they routed the fuel properly, so there's no
Somehow, like, we're close. I'm gonna
like it might be getting obstructed.
So now it's like things are evening out.
Yeah, now it's all.
Once you get to that age, it's like
Yeah, go in there. Let's go.
when you pass 30, it's like okay.
After 30, forget it.
You know what I mean?
So awesome.
There you go. Yeah.
That's a good start.
All right. No, it's just like everything. You just got to get used to it.
Yeah.
Get the feel of the clutch.
I mean, that's definitely a racing clutch in there.
Oh,
like,
yeah. Big
and
time.
when Nick got in it and, you know, we started driving, I was like thinking, like, I could feel those clutch plates.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot going on. And Nick said,
Yep.
like 3 of them.
There's 3 of them. In there,
Yeah. It's like,
a racing clutch.
yeah.
Everything sucks. It all
Yeah,
sucks.
that sucks. Let's change it all out.
They spray painted.
That blows.
No, we re-weld it and everything. It's just the way they did it right there from the bracket.
So you're saying the bracket is cracked, Nick? Is that what you're saying? How do you see it? Oh, I see it. I see it. It's cracked right there. What I'm talking about. This is clean. Why does the stand does not have this piece?
This is in the fenders.
It's in the fenders?
Yeah.
I like this that this is back here. It's beautiful. So you got the oil filter right here.
That's your coolant.
That looks like a
That's your
coolant.
That's your oil filter. Here's your hydraulics.
There's the oil.
Oil fill.
Pretty simple.
Yeah, well laid out.
I mean,
Easy to service.
easy to service, you know, for just like these things.
Yep.
So I guess an oil change would be just a breeze to do.
Straightforward. Your filter's right there.
Where's the oil filter on this thing?
Oil filter?
On this Murcielago?
It's tucked in there.
Is it at the bottom? Is it hard?
Left side.
That's it?
Yeah.
This is easy. What about the drain plug?
There's a bunch of them there.
So you have to open up more than one?
Yeah, like a Porsche. Yeah, it's a dress up.
Nick, which one do you open?
There's a bunch of them there.
Because I see the rear differential.
It's 4-wheel drive.
Okay, I see it on the side over here. Oh yeah, you got one right here, another one right there. And okay. So you got 2 of them. Is there more on the other side?
There's a sump right here. There's a sump right there.
Sump, okay.
Yeah,
So you
there's
have
a-
to drain that too?
Yeah, well, that's what contains all your oil.
So you have to open up the sump,
Yeah, it's a
open
drum
up this.
sump.
You have to open up both of them?
You gotta open all of them. Yeah.
So this is straightforward. I like that. Does this Murcielago engine, is this a 12 cylinder?
Yeah, mid.
Does it look at all like an Audi engine at all, even though this
No,
is not
it's
supposed to be technically?
Close.
So this is different. So
just own it.
like the Gallardos is pretty much an Audi engine, no?
Lamborghini too. They're just Lamborghini actually lets them use their engine.
Really? Hey guys, if you own a Ferrari, my brother Nick, he's a specialist. He wants to show me what makes them catch fire, because there's a lot of Ferraris that's you always see, they're always like on fire for one reason or another.
Okay, so this is a 599 V12. It's an Enzo engine.
Enzo engine,
Yeah.
beautiful engine.
So this line is your fuel line, and it's actually a plastic corrugated with a rubber sleeve style line. Now they get chafed right here. They can leak from here, but here's where they actually leak from. This one actually started leaking while it was here. Well, it was in storage. Look at that. See it popped loose? See this?
Yeah,
See
yeah.
that? See that fuel?
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
It's leaking from this corrugated. Now
Why
if
is
this,
it popping out so easy?
it's. I mean, it's.
Is it
I mean, it's
supposed to
old.
pop off this easy?
No, well, this is just a sleeve protector. The
Okay.
plastic is actually a stretch fit, and then it's from the factory crimped with air heat. So what happens is eventually they'll start to leak, or they'll snap, they'll crack. So the fuel will pour
Really?
down on the really hot catalytic converters.
Oh, that
and,
makes sense.
and it ignites.
This is why you see a lot of the older Ferraris catching on fire.
This is why you gotta do your car.
This is not an old. Hey Kevin, what is this?
A Lamborghini.
You gonna try to get in it?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Man,
Are you excited?
Go put on the white one.
I'm.
Did you touch it? Does it feel like a Lamborghini?
Yeah.
No, it feels like a Ferrari.
Lambo time.
Watch your head.
And the way you get in, but you can't step on that. Come over here. I'm holding you. Get your body
Yeah, you
here
have
like
to
this.
do like that.
And then you both your legs.
Yeah, you're never supposed to stand on these leather pieces.
So
It's very
carbon fiber.
expensive stuff.
I want to be on there.
So how does it feel to sit in a Lamborghini?
Wow. It feels really amazing.
You want to get in there too? Okay, as soon as he's done.
Whoa. Bro, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Really cool.
Did you find a gas pedal?
Yeah.
It looks like you just locked up the steering wheel because there's no key in it.
Really like it.
You like it?
So what do you think? Well, you gonna collect some money and buy one of these?
Yeah.
You need to start saving.
Try, huh? Heck yeah, Jason. We're gonna get you to try it.
So Jason, you want to try it?
Let your body try it? All right, put your legs both here.
Yeah,
this.
don't step on it like that.
I know.
I got you now. There you go. Here, I'll got you.
The doors up. There we go.
Same thing, Jason. Don't put
Yeah,
your
don't
no,
step
no, no,
here.
no.
Don't step here.
Here, I'm
Step
gonna
here
get you.
first.
I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, its name is
Why?
called Mercer.
There you go.
Yeah.
These panels are like $5,000.
Yeah, I bet.
Fenders, 20 тысяч
You don't want to scratch him.
It means bat.
Это 20 тысяч.
Strange name for a car. Isn't it?
Crazy, huh?
Each part is ridiculous. $10,000, $15,000, $20,000.
Man.
Wow.
So there's no roll cage in this one, huh?
No, it's a roadster.
Mm.
You got everything's carbon fiber.
Yeah, I can see that. This is a LP you said, right?
LP640. Yeah, LP640 roadster. Мы не будем заводить
We're
этим.
fine.
No, we're not gonna start this.
She got her ease.
She's ready. But no, let's say it's not better.
Wow, I like this car.
You like it?
It's got a really nice sound when it runs.
So you're gonna need to grow up a little bit more
Dad,
to drive it.
hey Dad, I don't know how this car sounds.
Sounds crazy loud.
Well, we'll look it up on YouTube. How it sounds.
It sounds louder. It's got a straight pipe.
The reason
Oh, yeah?
it sounds louder because it has a giant exhaust.
Yeah, it's a straight pipe on this end. But it'll hurt your ears when it starts.
Are you afraid to ride?
Jason, come over here, buddy. Let me open this. I'll let you in. Hold it like that, Kevin.
Не наступай только на
I
это.
got you in there. Right in the middle. Like that. There you go. Have a seat there. Huh. Enjoy it. They're loving it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, they love it. Okay, boys, we're gonna go ride it. Yeah?
name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.